Hey, how's it going? Today you and I are going to be using a Ninja Slushi to make perfect frozen mudslides. Those typically have tons of sugar and fat in them, which is one of the reasons they taste so good. But what we're going to try to do is cut those calories and fat while still preserving that great taste. So you ready? Let's get into this. Just a quick piece of information, the drink in this video is an alcoholic beverage. That means that if you're under the age of 21, this probably isn't for you. But don't worry, this video will still be up on YouTube whenever you are, provided that YouTube doesn't disappear. Okay, for this recipe we need vodka, some Irish whiskey, some Fairlife ultra filtered milk, monk fruit sweetener, some espresso concentrate. You can also use instant espresso, or if you have a cappuccino machine, you can even make some espresso. This is the easiest though. Some vanilla extract, some Hershey's zero sugar syrup. This has a lot of artificial stuff in it though, so it's up to you whether you use it or not. I'm using it for a garnish. Some no sugar added dark chocolate chips, same deal as with the syrup, and a little bit of water. If you'd like to make this recipe, all the ingredients are down in the description of the video, along with the calories, the protein, the carbs, and the fat. First thing we're gonna do is take a large container like this, and we're gonna throw in our monk fruit sweetener. We're putting this in first because we need to dissolve this as much as we possibly can, because this has a really hard time dissolving. Remember, it's not sugar. And because of that, we're gonna have to do a lot of extra work to get this into that machine. So first we're gonna throw in our alcohols. We got our vodka, our rum, just had barely enough of that, and our Irish whiskey. And try to give that a quick stir to see if we can break this down at all. Don't worry if it doesn't dissolve right away, because it's gonna take a little work to get there. Don't bust your back over it or anything. All right, next we need to get our espresso concentrate ready, and our vanilla extract. Throw those in. And we're also gonna pour in our water, and we'll give that another mix. And once we get that dissolved as good as we can, we'll open up our Ninja Slushi and pour this in here. See, there's quite a bit of sweetener that's not dissolved. That's okay, just pour it in there. What? We've got some milk yet to put in. Now we've got said milk. We'll get that in here, and we'll see if we can mix in the rest of the sweetener. Be sure to try to get that stuff that you had stuck on the side of your container here too. And the rest of that will go right in here. And we'll close this up. And if you've measured this the same way I did, you'll see that this is a tiny bit over. That's fine. This isn't really going to expand all that much. If that's really a concern to you, you can always put a tiny bit less milk in there or something, but it's not going to be a problem. Now, all we got to do is turn this on, and we're going to select spiked slushy. And now we wait. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks, and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Okay, this just got done, and it looks really good. So let's get our glass ready and try this out. Okay, I had this glass in the freezer just to get it as cold as possible, so this chocolate stuff would stick to the inside of the glass. You probably wouldn't need to do that, but I'm just trying to make this look a little bit nicer if I can. So we're gonna just drizzle a little bit of this along the inside. Let that run down. And that looks pretty good. Now we'll take this out for a second and pour our drink. Okay, then we can put some of these zero sugar added chocolate chips on the top, and a straw, and that looks pretty darn good. Let's see how it tastes though. Ooh yeah, that's good. That's really good actually. That's one you're gonna want to try out. Frozen Mudslides, so delicious. When I was in my 20s, my favorite drink was actually the White Russian. And Frozen Mudslides share an awful lot of the same flavors. In my honest opinion though, the Mudslide's a better drink, and if you make it this way, you can save an awful lot of calories. And that is definitely a win. If you'd like a little bit more information about the Ninja Slushi that I use to make this recipe, I do have an Amazon affiliate link for it down in the description of the video. If you buy anything through those links, I do make a small commission, but it doesn't change the price that you pay, 1 cent. If you like this video, then I bet you'll like this playlist right here that has all of the different drinks that I've made with slushy machines. No go on that mudslide? No problem. I'm sure you're gonna find something in there that you like better. Well, that's it for now. I hope to see you back again here really soon. And until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.